Most times when you're presenting process maps, it can be so difficult trying to sift through all of these steps that look exactly the same, trying to explain what tool is used at what step and which parts of the process you'll be adding on to their existing process. Well, this feature that we just launched in puzzleapp.io is an absolute game changer. It will give you X-ray vision into your business operations, looking at multiple criteria across your processes. So this feature is called Conditional Step Coloring. And what you're looking at here is one of my clients that I'm proposing a future state proposal. I'm going to be walking them through the parts of the processes that I'm going to be improving for them. And using this conditional step coloring, you can see in yellow are all of the steps that are in draft stage. So the steps that aren't in draft stage are their published process that they're currently using. But in yellow, now I get to designate by using conditional step coloring, which is an add-on right here in this sidebar. I just click on conditional step coloring, it opens up my sidebar, and I can start to add rules that will automatically color steps that meet the criteria within the structured database that you filled out in your process documentation here. So my first rule is that if any step has the step status of draft, which represents the new steps that I'm introducing into this client's process, will be yellow. And I can turn this off and I can turn this on. So that if I'm bringing a client through a future state process, I don't have to do all of that sifting anymore. I can now just illuminate which parts of the process I'm adding on to their existing process. Let's say that I wanted to color all steps that use a specific tool. Well, this client uses a tool called Dash, and I can now show the client with a click of a button all of the points of the process where they're using this system, Dash. Let's say that I wanted to see all of the steps where a specific role is contributing to the process. Well, I have this purple coordinator rule, which shows whenever the role coordinator is associated with this process, color it in purple. And I can see all of the points of the process where the coordinator is involved. This is the closest thing to X-ray vision into your business operations. And it's live in Puzzle today. Merry Christmas.